Welcome friends, welcome. This is me again. I'm Karthik, and this is a illustration tutorial. And today we are going to learn how to make logo illustrations, basically without the help of the golden ratio. And I assume that everyone watching this video, a little bit of knowledge of golden ratio. If not, don't worry about this. In my next video I will discuss about the golden ratio. Okay, now let's start. Here we go. This is a file section, this is edit, this is object, and this is our tools. Okay, and this is the basic of illustrations. When you open up, you can see this features. If you not, and your illustration tools are here and there and quite messy, so don't hesitate, go here and see. This is workspace, and you can click here, reset essential, and you can see your everything is the tools is reset again and everything fixed. So here you go. This is a file, new file. Take a new file, Control and N for the Windows user. This is the new document, and now we can put anything, name, logo. I'm putting here this name, logo, and sorry. So you can put anything name. Okay, so here I'm go for this A3 size, and here you can see this orientations, and this is orientations. You can portrait and landscape view. Okay, and hit here. You can see this is quite a new document. Okay, and now see, I'm telling you that without the help of golden ratio. And what is golden ratio? How can you make golden ratio and for your logo design? This is another matter. In my next video tutorial I will discuss about this. Now see, this is your rectangle tool, this is round rectangle tool, and this is ellipse tool. Now L is a shortcut. Here you can see L is a shortcut. So holding Shift and Alt for proportionally creating proportionally a circle. So you cannot see here because this is some issue with my keyboard. See, again this time, and you can see this is smart guide and snap to point is on. So nothing is created here. Check out this one. Just now I'm doing with this new document, and cancel if you want to make it L logo. Okay, see, this is a new document, and now everything is fixed. Okay, for creating the proportionally equal circle, so what you need to do, holding Shift and Alt, I'm again telling you, holding Shift and Alt, and you can get this kind of proportionally equal circle. You can see this 90, let's see, 90.09 and width and height is equal. That's what happened when I holding the shift and alt button and now dragging it, it's proportionally creating a proportionally equal circle. So here we got proportionally equal circle. Now we can increase this stroke size. Here increase this stroke size and see this one, and you can press alt and drag it one. If you think this is not snap here, so go here and view, smart guide on and snap to point on should be on. And if you want to show grid, you can see there is everywhere grid. Okay, nice. So put it here and see. This is if you want to see the outline mode, Control and Y is the shortcut for the outline mode. And see, our circle is not attached to each other. So now it's everything fixed. Now control, how to come over this outline mode, Control Y is again pressing Control Y. Now we come out from this mode. So if you want to see this ruler, Control R is a shortcut. You can see this ruler and point out this one, and you can see this is not good here, so put it here. Now everything is good, well, and put it here. So nice. Now Control Y, come out from this line and deleting this two of this line. Now with the help of now, first of all, with the help of this tool, scissor tool, we can cut here and cut here. Now we got this one. Okay, now with the help of scissor tool again, this path and this path. So got this one, and this is stroke is not, I'm not happy with this strokes. Okay, so you can manipulate this strokes. Go to this stroke panel, hit here and see this cap. You can hit here for round cap and corner also round. Okay, so this is the basic thing. And now hit here for the another ellipse. Now point out this one and holding shift and alt again for the proportionally equal circle. So release. So no, I'm not happy with this, so go here and okay, release. Now here we got a circle, and the circle is bigger than this one. Okay, now put it here and hit Control Y for viewing the outline mode. Now increase the size. You can see what's happening here. So see this one. If you're happy with this, okay, no issue. Okay, now cut it and cut it here. this point here, and if you not satisfied, just manually fix and tracking this point. If you, okay, control Y again for fixing point to point. Okay, now here also this point to point, and at this time do not use the Alt and Shift, just use, you can use the Shift also for the point to point. Okay, now come out from this outline mode. Okay, out from this outline mode. Okay, now see this everything, and is a love shine. Okay, no issue, and you can click here for join, and you can click here for join. So we have got a one this love sign here. So what I need to do for this, make a, with the help of pen tool, click here and click this point. Okay, now I have got this two things. Okay, now what I need to do for this next, if you understand this problem, there's illustrations. Okay, no issue. Sorry, I'm telling this problem. It's not problem. Just dragging this one and this one. And this. Okay. This. Okay. Nice. If you are not satisfied, just keep it going on, and you can put this one or this one. Okay, and there are lots of points. You can decrease this points. You can use with the help of this smooth tool. Okay, now see this points is gradually decreasing. Okay, points are gradually decreasing. The anchor point 2, shift and C is a shortcut for the point tool. So pointing here, pointing here, and now you can see this is a nice effect. Okay, this one I'm not happy with this nice curve. I'm looking for the nice curve, so it's not nice. Okay, this one, and once more. Now click here, copy, Control and C and Control and F on the pasted font, and now hit here and transform, reflect and preview mode on this on. Okay, hit OK. Now sorry, now see this, okay, now go to this outline mode again, and now see this is not see here, is everything all right? See here, everything is all right. Okay. Now come out from this outline mode, Control and Y again, and now deleting this line. It's not necessary. Now what I'm going to do for making this eyes portion, you can imagine this is a two bird and love sign. Okay, now this is strokes. I'm increasing the stroke size, again increasing the stroke size, and now what I'm going to do here, this is and this is. Without the help of this golden ratio, how can you create and explore your imaginations? That video tutorial will sure will help you. Okay, and now I'm just go to this stroke profile and click both of this, and now you can see this one head. Okay, copy, paste it font, now transform, reflect, okay, hit okay, now put it somewhere here. So we have got this is, you can explore your imaginations and tell me what is this. So from this point and see, this is our, we have to fix this point. So now that's fixed, and now fix this. Okay, now it's not properly fixed. Okay, now see, it's right. And what I'm going to do for the next, just putting this eyes and wall. So see, this is just putting this eyeball. So just here, over this point, this point, I think this nice, and hit Alt and holding this one, hit Alt and holding this one. Okay. Now if you think that it's not quite aligned, so put this one. Okay, now I think this is good enough. Now explore your imaginations and think what we can do next. The next, without the help of golden ratio, what we're going to do next, making this point, I'm using my pen tool, pencil tool. Okay, now put this one, everything. No, not good. I think this one. No, I'm not happy. So with the help of pen tool, click here and point to this point, click here. Now just little bit of strokes. Okay, now copy, paste it font, now transform, reflect, hit OK. Okay, now I've got nice two parts of type of logo. So another thing we should do with the help of pencil, now holding shift, drag this. Okay, now this is stroke should be here, and should be here. And I think, what about your comments? What is your comment about this logo? I think okay, you can do this logo easily. And now our bonus tips for the making one thing. So you can make a and keep it aside. Now we are going to make a deer. Okay, so for the making deer and continuous line drawing, it's just we need to think first. Okay, so here go to this point. Okay, strokes. See, this one is not necessary here. So deleting this point. Now see, this is nice. Okay, and now another. Okay, and see this one, we need to fix this one, and just hit Control and Y for viewing this illustrations in outline mode. Okay, now I think let's fix. Okay, now for making this one, this side part, okay, now outside of this boundary. Okay, deleting this point. I can easily increase this one, and adding point. Okay. Note this one. Okay, copy, paste the font, and arrange, reflect. go to this outline mode. Now you can clearly see this is not joining to each other. Just increase the size. Now we can clearly see what I'm doing here. So it's not bad. Okay, so here copy pasted font. Now transform, reflect, hit OK. This point. Now this grid will help you. And this grid will help you. So this one and this one, just select this one and grouping everything. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is put this here and selecting this one, this one, this one, grouping everything. Okay. Now I think this is good. So you can clearly imagine this is the head of deer. Okay, surrealism type of effect. Now I'm this neck portion. Copy pasted font. Now transform, reflect. Okay. See. Towards this point. This is not necessary here, and this one just join. Okay. Just grouping everything. Now what I'm going to do, nice type of artwork effect. Just explore your imaginations and you can clearly understand I'm putting this one here, and I think this should be better. Just somewhere this point. Group it here. So we have got this here bird love sign. Thank you very much, and just see this illustrations. If you come out from this grid, so go to this view and hide grid. So your grid will be hiding. So this is illustrations. Thank you very much. You can put this illustration to your t-shirt design. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.